Hi, I'm Julia Griffith and welcome to the Jewellery Advisor channel where you can learn all about diamonds, gems and jewellery. In this video I'm going to show you 4 hacks for cleaning silver jewellery at home, because sterling silver inevitably tarnishes over time, making the surface of silver darker with a mottled brown, grey or black coloration. The good news is that it can easily be removed by yourself at home, so let me show you how to get your silver jewellery looking as good as new. Cleaning hack number 1, silver polishing cloths. Silver polishing cloths are infused with a silver cleaner, and they will quickly and effectively remove tarnish when rubbed thoroughly on the silver surfaces. All you need is a bit of elbow grease and then you will see the results of your hard work left on the cloth afterwards. I would recommend using polishing cloths on all items, as they are by far the safest cleaning method and can be used on everything, even gem set jewellery, as there is no risk that you will damage the gems. The only con with polishing cloths is that they may not remove all of the tarnish, especially if something is very heavily oxidised. Or for pieces that have a complex construction, such items may be best cleaned with one of my other cleaning methods, which gets to the harder to reach areas, which moves us on to cleaning hack number 2, silver dips. Silver dips are extremely effective at removing tarnish, as they quite literally strip the tarnish away in seconds. All you need to do is dip the silver item into the solution, wait for 10 seconds, and then remove the item and rinse thoroughly with water. Pat the item dry and you will be amazed at the results. As impressive as the results are, these dips do come with some big warning labels, and here are my top 4 warnings for use of silver dips. Firstly, silver dips often give a yellowish tinge to the silver. Secondly, silver dips smell really bad. It smells kind of eggy and sulphurous, and from past experience I found that this smell can re-emerge on the piece of jewellery after a few months. Another con is that silver dips will remove any protective coatings that silver might have. Most silver isn't coated or protected at all, but some pieces do have a thin layer of rhodium or pure silver on top of them to stop them from tarnishing. And lastly, if you're going to use a silver dip, be very careful using it on gem set jewellery, as many gems will be permanently damaged by this solution. So do not use this product at all on any delicate gems such as turquoise, amber, pearl, mother of pearl, opal, coral, or anything that's been treated with any coatings or foils or any fillings that you can get. As a rule of thumb, if you're ever unsure whether your gems will be safe in this dip, just don't do it. Don't use this cleaning method. Choose one of the other, much safer methods. Now on to cleaning hack number 3, which is a homemade brew. To make your own jewellery dip at home, line a large bowl with aluminium foil, add a tablespoon of salt, a tablespoon of bicarbonate of soda or baking soda, 1 cup of boiling water, and half a cup of white vinegar. Watch out, it's fizzy. Then place your jewellery in the dip, making sure that the metal is touching the aluminium foil. That's key for this reaction to occur. Leave the jewellery in the homemade brew for about 20 minutes before removing the pieces and rinsing them with water. This cleaning method is good for most pieces of jewellery, including gem set jewellery, but again, avoid using it with delicate gems such as opals, pearls and amber. And finally, cleaning hack number 4, toothpaste. This method is as simple as it is messy. All you need to do is cover the silver in toothpaste using your fingers and also a toothbrush to help get the toothpaste into the more difficult to reach areas. Leave the toothpaste on for about 10 to 20 minutes before thoroughly scrubbing away the toothpaste with the help of water. This method is surprisingly effective and is safe to use with all gem set jewellery, even those more delicate gems, as long as you don't get any toothpaste on them. So just be careful with your application. The only negative part of this method is that toothpaste can get stuck in some of the nooks and crannies within the jewellery, but just use your toothbrush again to scrub it all out. So these are my 4 silver cleaning hacks, but I would recommend not using just one. I would always approach cleaning silver in a step-by-step process, starting with the polishing cloth every time, because often this is all you need to get your silver nice and bright and back to its original colour. Only then, if this isn't enough, would I then recommend using one of the other methods, choosing the method that is best suited to your item of jewellery. I hope you found these cleaning hacks helpful. Hit the like button if you've enjoyed this video and subscribe to the Jewellery Advisor channel for more posts on diamonds, gems and jewellery. Thanks for watching and I hope to see you soon.